Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair with hair extensions, clip-in hair extensions, and I am going to be using a straightening iron to style my hair to get these beautiful voluminous curls. And the hair extensions that I am using are by My Fantasy Hair. I love these hair extensions so much. They just look so good, and I actually just washed them so they look beautiful and brilliant and shiny. But if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you guys are interested in seeing how I style my hair, just keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is in a low bun and it's just like all over the place. I haven't put any product in it, and this is what it looks like. I did actually spray this 10-in-1 kind of thing that I spray when I come out of the shower, so that's why it looks like shiny and healthy and stuff. So if you guys want to see a video on what I do when I wash my hair, I will put it up here somewhere. But it looks good, I'm not gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of this coconut milk anti-breakage serum, which I really like, and I just apply a little bit at first, and I focus it mainly on the lower ends of my hair. I do apply serum to my hair because I like a nice shine. Whatever's left on my hands, I just apply it to the top. Don't mind my dog, he's barking and I can't keep him quiet right now. I like to use a scrunchie, this is a big scrunchie, or a hair clip depending on whatever I have it at hand, just to hold my hair up. And I take this Conair brush or comb, and I like that it has like double teeth. So it has the blue one, it's just a basic comb in the middle, and then it has like the wider teeth on the outside. And I really like this to tease my hair. I feel like it's perfect. You can find this like at CVS, but it's perfect for teasing the hair and holding in the clips. And I feel like this works so much better versus other combs that I've tried. This just gives you more of a tease, so it helps hold your hair clips or the hair extension clips in so much better. These are hair extensions by My Fantasy Hair. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put it down here somewhere. I've been obsessed with these hair extensions. I just been using these hair extensions for years now, and I just really like them. They last me a long time, and I like to wear hair extensions all the time. Only 4 clips, like 4 different sets, and it's pretty thick, and it comes with 10, so that's pretty crazy. And I did just wash them, so they look really shiny. I didn't put any product in them, but they smell so good. I just washed them, and My Fantasy Hair actually carries their shampoo and conditioner, and I just washed it with the shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna part like a small piece on the bottom like this, not too thin, but still it's all the way down here. And I'm just gonna use my scrunchie for this, and I'm just gonna tie and hold up the rest of my hair. And then what I do is split the back hair in half, and what I'm going to do is just tease. And teasing is so much easier with this comb. It saves me so much time, and I can literally do this hairstyle in like less than 10 minutes. I have my iron on. I'm just gonna put it right here because it's a little wet right there. You guys, I've been using this iron forever, for so many years, and I just love it so much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna clip my 2 clip. I'm gonna tease this side a little more. It's clipped, so your hair is like right here, and then the extensions are very similar in length to my natural hair, but it just adds volume and a little bit of length. So once I have my first clip in, I just grab my straightening iron and kind of run it through my hair just a little bit, and then with it going down, all I do is curl my hair with the straightening iron, and I just drag it down slow, and I do it outward so it creates this little guy. So that's the first thing that I do with my hair, and I just keep going all the way. So I'm just gonna go in and clip the rest, curl the rest, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do to like the top. And I leave like this much hair, not a lot, but just enough so I can tease it and the clip will grab it. And same thing, when I do my left side, I go down with the iron, so like this, and then once it's in the middle, I grab this side and like flip it out. You could do it this way too if you want to curl your hair first and then do the extensions, or you could do it at the same time. And since this is a 3-clip weft, I'm going to also tease the center wherever I teased. I already know where I'm supposed to tease because I already know where the clips go. So then I split it in half again, and I split all my hair just so I could find the piece that's not curled. This one is the thickest one. It's a 4-clip weft. It's like triple or double wefted, so there's a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair, and I really like this piece. You can cover the rest of the clips and it just blends in so well with my hair. I love it. To go like right above my ears. I won't put any clips above my ear, so everything goes below, and then my top hair covers all the clips and stuff. I think the tricky part with doing this is figuring out how to use a straightening iron to curl hair. It took me a while because I was so confused. I like my curls to go away from my face, and that's why I was so confused, because when I started to do it this way, I would do it like towards my face, and I just didn't like how it looked. I do have a tutorial on how I do waves with my hair, because these are more like curls, but waves, I have a video for waves, and I love that hairstyle. Okay, so we have all of the hair curled at the bottom, so all of the hair extensions, and now all I have to do is my natural hair, which is up here. And what I like to do is split this in half. So I'll do this half first and then my right side. So I like to start with the back, and again just curl outward, everything outward. And of course this part is faster. So I do the same thing basically like throughout my whole head. Through my whole head. I was trying to say hair and head at the same time. So right here it's a little tricky because like I have like things that grew out, but I like to grab the whole chunk and curl it together because I don't like my waves, my curls to look like too much, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna let my hair cool down a little bit. I'm going to grab, this is why I like this comb so much, and just part my hair down the middle because that's where I like to part my hair, and then just kind of toss it around so it looks like that. It looks like this. Like it's just so pretty and healthy looking and voluminous, and I just really like this hair style. So I feel like my hair has enough oil in it. It's not, you know, too dry. It doesn't look dry, but it is a little frizzy. So I'm gonna use this John Frieda touch-up cream, and I use a little bit of this, like this much maybe. I think that's too much. Oh my gosh, but that much. I just love how this stuff smells. And then I just like go like that and kind of run my fingers through the top part. It's a cream and I don't use a lot of it. What it does, it just really smooths down my flyaways without it making my hair hard and without adding too much shine. Like I can't stand products that just make your hair look so greasy. I like it to look, you know, shiny, but not like I tried too hard. Like this is my natural hair, like it's healthy, but still not frizzy. And it's crazy. It's called Secret Weapon, and honestly like that's what it is to me. This bottle has lasted me so long because I use a tiny bit just for the top part of my hair, especially right here because I get like flyaways and stuff. And you guys, it makes such a huge difference. That is it for this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and then comment down below if you guys like this hairstyle. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.